Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. I haven't done wings in a while, so I'm ready to do another batch of wings. I'm going to show you my go-to technique for making the best possible chicken wings. So let's get started. We're going to cook on the Myron Mixon BARQ today, so I'm going to fire that guy up and we're going to go nice and hot. I'm going to run this guy up to 450, which is its maximum temp. We'll let that guy get good and hot while we get our wings ready. Okay, to get started here, I have gone ahead and separated my wings into the flats and the drumettes. I like to buy the whole wings and just break these down myself. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these guys, and I'm just going to get in here with my hands and toss those around to get a thin coat of oil on all these wings. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dredge my wings in some seasoned flour. I've made the seasoned flour ahead, and I'm going to give you the recipe that I use for this in the video description. So if you want to make your own, it's real easy to do and it's in the description. So I'm just going to take these wings that have been lightly coated in oil and just dredge them lightly in the flour. You know, they're going to look just like this. So then I'm going to put them on a rack and we'll go ahead and get all of these done. Okay guys, our grill's up to temp. So we're going to open the BARQ. I'm going to slide this tray of wings on here, and we're going to come back and have a look at these in about 30 minutes or so. I'm thinking it's going to take a little longer, but not a lot longer. We're about 25 minutes into the wing cook, but I'm going to sauce these wings when they're done. So I'm going to take some of this Atlanta Grill Company Home Team wing sauce and put it in my little cast iron sauce pot, and I'm going to put it on the smoker with the wings to let that sauce heat up, because you don't want to put cold or room temperature sauce on these wings. Okay guys, after about 45 minutes or so, my wings are ready. These guys have got a nice crisp surface on them, so let's pull them off and finish them up. Okay guys, our wings are done, and I want you to take a look. I hope you can see. Man, these things have got a nice, beautifully crispy exterior. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sauce these guys. I had that hometown wing sauce heating up in the grill, so I'm going to drizzle some of that over the top of these, and then I'm just going to toss them in the bowl to get them coated. You can use as little or as much of that as you like. I think I'm liking how that looks right there. And to really finish these guys off, I'm going to use some of the Atlanta Grill Company ranch flavored wing zing on these. And what I've done is I've put some of that in my little shaker. So we're going to shake some of that in there, toss it again, and even go with a little bit more of that. This one is a really fine powder, and it gets on there and stays on there really well. So guys, these look amazing. So I am ready to give these a try. Okay guys, let's see how these turned out. Man, they're still nice and hot. I probably should have let them cool a little. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That hometown wing sauce has a beautiful pepper flavor, and it's not overpowering. It's not hot by hot standards. And the ranch on the back end of that's really sweet also. Or not sweet, it's delicious. So guys, you're going to have to give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.